Outstanding Contribution to Photography awardee. Sébastien.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Color photography for me was very complicated. I never identify myself with the color pictures. I love color photography. Yesterday we went to see the beautiful show of Ed Bortinsky in the Sachs Gallery, and it's amazing, it's beautiful, but me, I cannot photograph in color. I remember I did a lot of color assignment because in the beginning of the 80s, no one magazine in this planet published more black and white. They published only color because all the advertising offset system was created for color, and it was necessary to me to shoot color. The contrary, was impossible for me to eat. And I made color, but when I went to shoot a color, when I have my camera in my hands, I look one red pointed here, blue pointed there. I knew that this color will be very important in the restitution of the photography. And they disturbed me so much that I do not pay more attention for the personality of the person that I was photographing, for the dignity of the person that I was photographing. And but if I was photographing in black and white, I transform all this color in different kind of grays.
More about your series, 1,000 Cuts, and how you created this fantastic effect with the cutting through.
Thank you. 1,000 Cuts, simply put, is individual stories of survivors of domestic abuse from a South Asian lens. It's a work that was born from personal lived experiences. I grew up and was born in a family where I experienced domestic violence on a regular basis. So I believe at some level I was preparing for this work from the time that I was born. However, I got the opportunity to work on it when I moved here to the UK. I got in touch with a charity called She Buys. I knew that they were working in this domain.
Is it working? Yes. Okay. So my subject is a photo documentary project about forced sterilization of women in Greenland. Sorry, what was your question?
How did you first hear about the story?
I was following the news about Greenland and the Arctic area since a long time, and I just read a very small AFP brief in the Daily News, a small newspaper from Brittany, the west part of France. It was just one very short sentence about forced sterilization of women, and when I read that, I was like, okay, I have to go deeper into that project, and so I tried to contact the victim, and I went to Greenland, and I started this project.